Just now, I dreamt I was in an unknown town square. A host of people were gathered everywhere there. Some were loudly talking and shouting, while others were swearing and laughing. What's going on? Hey, what's going on? I inquired out loud as I bored my way through the jostling crowd. It was impossible to hear a word I said anyway. The surrounding was a complete chaotic disarray. Suddenly, I could not believe what came in sight. A butt-naked man about 42 inches in height, corralled in an 18-inch high wooden fence with his head hanging in shame and in silence. He was likened to a black, lustrous fire hydrant, an object of ridicule because he looked different. His skin was hairless, shiny, and blue-black in color. His red, tear-filled, beady eyes rarely rolled the rabble in terror. His head was completely bald and shine, glistening with sweat that later ran down his jawline. His 10 toes planted on the ground were bare. He hadn't a stitch of clothing on, let alone footwear. Man, the angry mob spewed cruel insults at him, mercilessly. They hurled rotten garbage at him shamelessly. They spat searing swear words at him, hailing him a reject. They treated him less than an inanimate object. He was humiliated, tantalized, and filled with fright. He was all a man, a human being, all right. Where did he come from? Nobody knew, but his oddity caused others to become unglued. I was utterly heartbroken, filled with sorrow. I had few words to describe my feelings. I felt hollow. He was being treated badly because he looked odd. No one came to his defense, not even one person. How sad. I shouted, "Sir, are you hurt?" But he didn't answer. He couldn't hear me through the rowdy jeering and boisterous laughter. I risked climbing over the wooden stakes and into the pen. "Sir, are you hurt?" I gently asked him again. He did not utter a word. He simply shook his head from side to side. I turned to the crowd. What did he do? Leave him alone, I cried. Please, please, leave him alone, I doggedly begged. I was livid. My frantic rages had me awakened. There I was, sitting up in my bed, with both my arms to the heavens spread. Leave him alone, please! I was still shouting. In my heaving chest, my heart was pounding. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image, according to our likeness." So God created man in his own image. In the image of God, he created him, male and female. He created them. Then God blessed them. Genesis 1:26 to 28.